Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best camping kitchen kit is probably one of the most essential gear for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend warrior, having the right kitchen kit can make all the difference between a frustrating meal prep experience and a delightful culinary adventure in the great outdoors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of camping kitchen kits, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect setup for your next trip. Number 5. Stanley Adventure Camp Pro Cookset. This cookset from Stanley lets you prepare delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. It includes everything you need, like a saucepan and a cutting board, to create a great meal on the go. No matter the heat source, this cookset ensures your food cooks evenly every time. The secret lies in its premium 3-ply stainless steel construction, optimized for induction cooking. Designed for the outdoors, this cookset is built to withstand any adventure. Made with 18/8 stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and durable, and it's also dishwasher safe. Space is precious when you're traveling, and this cookset is designed with that in mind. It features a compact, nesting system, a locking pot handle, and a BPA-free design. Backed by over a century of experience, this product offers legendary quality and reliability. You can count on it for years to come, thanks to its lifetime warranty. What we like. This cookset ensures even heating, so your meals are perfectly cooked every time. It's made of durable stainless steel, built to last. If you are looking for a reliable and compact cooking solution for your outdoor adventures, you should consider this. What people say. The locking mechanism of the handle lockdown lid is simple, strong, and quite effective, and I appreciate how simple it is to use without any worry of it accidentally slipping. Everything packs back into the pot, which is perhaps my favorite thing. The pot is great. We made a multitude of chili soups, pasta sauce, and steamed veggies. It heats up quick and evenly and cleans super easy with mild soap and warm water every time. The lid acts as a strainer and could use a bit more drain holes, but other than that it held up just fine. The sporks worked well. The part of the set that blew me away was the spoon and spatula, specifically since they break apart for storing. Those items are very sturdy and held up real well. Number 4. Odoland 15 PCS Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This 15-piece camping cookware set is the best money you'll ever spend. It includes everything you need for cooking and dining outdoors. It's perfect for hiking, backpacking, camping, or any outdoor activity. This set is designed for 1 to 2 people. The pot and pan are great for boiling water or preparing meals. It's fully equipped to meet your needs. The pots, pan, and kettle are made from non-toxic, lightweight anodized aluminum. They're coated with a non-stick surface for easy use and cleanup. Each piece has foldable, thermally isolated handles to protect your hands. You'll also receive stainless steel dinner cutleries and a cleaning cloth. The cutleries are made from safe 304 stainless steel and are foldable for easy storage. The cleaning cloth is safe for the non-stick surface and allows for quick cleanup. All the pieces nest together and pack into a nylon mesh bag. The total weight is just 2.75 pounds, and the package is only 7.5 by 7.5 by 5 inches. This set is ideal for both backpacking and traditional camping, making it easy to carry. What we like. This set includes everything you need for cooking and eating, perfect for 1 to 2 people. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. If you are a backpacker or a couple looking for a lightweight and complete cooking solution, you should consider this. What people say. It's impressively compact and lightweight, packing into a small 7.5 by 7.5 by 5 inches mesh bag that fits easily into my backpack. The anodized aluminum cookware heats up fast and has a handy non-stick coating, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. The handles are foldable and heat-resistant, which is a thoughtful touch. Number 3. Odoland 22 PCS Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This 22-piece kit is perfect for your outdoor adventures. It includes everything you need for cooking and dining, designed for a group of 4. It's the best money you'll ever spend on camping gear. The large pot can be hung over a fire or placed directly on the heat source. This set is versatile, suitable for use with gas stoves or firewood. It offers flexibility in how you prepare your meals. Each piece features a non-stick Teflon coating for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. The cookware heats up quickly and is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It's a survival gear that you can rely on. The foldable handles save space, and the entire set packs neatly into a mesh bag. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry. This makes it convenient for any outdoor activity. This kit is ideal for camping, hiking, and picnics with family and friends. It's super portable, making it easier to enjoy delicious meals wherever you go. It enhances your outdoor experience. What we like. This kit is designed for families or groups of friends, providing ample cooking space. It can be used over a fire or with a gas stove. If you are planning a camping trip with friends or family, you should consider this. What people say. The camping cooking set is well designed and can easy to use, and durability is great with compactness to hold small stuff inside the kettle. The best was the teapot, which he thought it was a cool item to have at the campsite. Everything was really easy to clean and transport. Number 2. Prettyfine 35 PCS Camping Kitchen Utensil Set. Introducing the ultimate outdoor utensil set from Prettyfine. This comprehensive set is designed to meet all your camping cooking needs, making it perfect for any adventure. This set includes everything you need for outdoor cooking, from a storage bag to various utensils. It allows you to have a mini kitchen anywhere. It's perfect for travel, camping, and more. The set comes with a tough woven cotton bag to protect the utensils. The lightweight utensils are made with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and ease of use. The kitchenware is made with 100% high-quality stainless steel for enhanced durability and reliability. It's also dishwasher safe, ensuring it will be a reliable camping partner for years. This camping set makes a great gift for any occasion. If you have any questions before and after the purchase, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. What we like. This set offers a mini kitchen with a wide array of utensils for any camping scenario. The rugged bag protects the utensils and keeps them organized. If you like having all the tools you need at your fingertips, you should consider this. What people say. This kit has everything you need to cook with. The silverware has a better weight and quality to it. The carry case is sturdy and the fabric thick. Number 1. IRONSTEN Camping Kitchen Utensils Set. This IRONSTEN set includes 40 pieces, covering almost everything you need for outdoor cooking. You can easily prepare steaks, noodles, and more with this kit. It's perfect for camping, car trips, and picnics. The kit weighs 5.7 pounds, making it heavier than most. This extra weight reflects the quality and durability of each item. The accessories are made from food-grade materials like stainless steel, nylon, and silicone. Each accessory has been carefully designed and tested for your convenience. Quality is the priority in the design and manufacturing process. You can rely on this set for all your outdoor cooking needs. The bag is made of high-quality nylon with a durable zipper. It features reinforced handles and multiple pockets to keep everything organized. It also includes protective sleeves to keep sharp objects safe. With the included cutlery, a family or group of friends can enjoy a meal while watching the sunset. It offers a unique dining experience away from restaurants. This set helps you create lasting memories. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive cooking experience with high-quality materials. It includes a durable bag with multiple pockets for organization. If you are looking for a complete and high-quality camping kitchen set, you should consider this. What people say. This collection has all the tools you need to cook with everything I need for camping. The bag looks great and functions well. It's so compact and yet so versatile, Q himself would be jealous of the design of this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.